We're at almost halfway into the second week of October. October 13th, 2020. Tyler Hayes here. 2049. I am in Ladysmith for little action until my time is up before the 2200 mark. Going to have a southbound on the way. I know I've not been active for the last several days since I've been here, but no harm done. Glad to be back at it again. There is activity going on in Ladysmith Yard. Looks like there's a crewman nearby. There's the idling power of the L519, the SD75I5683, along with the GMD SD40-2W5335. Meanwhile, up in Canada, a little news to pass along, that there's a rebuild program going on for those Canadian-style Jeep 38 models. They are going to be rebuilt as Jeep 40-3s and will be mated with a slug. And one of them is already completed, but in a heritage look. And classic green with yellow stripe over the lettering, same as the slug of 600. There is uncertainty if the 7601, excuse me, will get that same look or not. And we'll also be having some heritage units on the CN that is going to be expected for the rest of this year, going possibly into the early days of 2021. One of them is already out, and it's currently up in southern Canada at this time. And that would be SD70M-28952, and it is sporting the Grand Trunk Western Heritage look, also with a 25th anniversary logo on the nose sides. There is a couple of Tier 4 Gevos so far that are also getting the Heritage look. So we're going to be having an EMD and Tier 4 Gevo combo, I think. Maybe some older model Gevos might get it. I don't know. 3113 is one of them. It'll be in the BCOL Heritage. And there's another one that is going to be in the Illinois Central Death Star Heritage look as well. Otherwise, enough said. Let's hang tight and wait on our CN southbound. Okay, 2116 southbound is here. I think we may have a Tier 4. Let's check them out. So we lean back and get them. Here we go. We got gate drop. It is. What a wait! And 3,000! Manifest! 3000 was the first Tier 4 that CN ordered. Back in the early 2010s. This is definitely M340 DPU coming up. That's 2976. Another Tier 4 credit. Yep, this is definitely M340 Auto Rex coming up. This is 42. Definitely M342, last of it, PROX 74677, and the train device is going. Very nice. Wasn't expecting that, but I did. So that was the last of the M342. That was led by the 3108. Along with 3000 and DPU of 2976 to the M342. Okay, 2143 looks like I'm going to call it a night, so managed to get the M342 tonight. And the 3108 to lead with 3000 in the second slot and 2976 as DPU, as it should be now or already south of Gilman. And that will do it here in Ladysmith for tonight. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you down the main line. Hopefully for more action coming soon. Tyler Hayes out.